Hey, what's going on, everybody? Tyro Investing here. Going to do a quick video today on SOFI. Haven't done one in a bit, but kind of want to show you guys what I'm seeing and my kind of prediction for where I think SOFI will be this summer. Before I get into the video, I kind of want to talk about just my channel a little bit. If you do watch this video, I really appreciate a like on the video. Also, if you could subscribe to the channel, that really helps me out a lot. My goal is to get to 500 in 2024, currently at 218 subscribers. So appreciate all you guys that have subscribed, and if you're watching this and you like it, definitely give me a subscription. I super appreciate it. So with all that being said, let's get into it. So what am I seeing on the chart? So we had earnings. We're about halfway, probably a little more than halfway to the next earnings, which is going to be around early May. So last earnings, I thought, they were really great, and even the reaction to it was really great. It was one of the highest volume days. I think it actually was the highest volume day in the history of SoFi, was its reaction over the next day to earnings. I mean, it started off, it was about a 7. It closed at about 760-ish the night before its previous earnings, and it opened up and it went above 9, almost hit 950. So it was a super big move, but we basically saw a sell-off from that move down from like 960 back down to where it had been previously. So it definitely sold off, but initial reaction was very positive. I thought the numbers were very good. The growth is there. Everything that that is the reason why I'm investing in SoFi really showcased itself in the last earnings. So I think SoFi tends to be a pretty heavily shorted stock. I use Seeking Alpha, which is a really good site to get kind of ideas for stocks. And if you were to go to SoFi's page on Seeking Alpha, you will see writers that are strong buy, sell, hold, strong sell. Like I can't find a stock that has such differing of opinions. Obviously, you guys know what camp I'm in. I think it's a strong buy, especially where it's at right now. But that being said, we'll have earnings in early May. This is kind of what I'm seeing. It's trading within this triangle right now. It's touched the bottom twice. It's touched the top twice. It's closer to the bottom right now, but, it's still very well within the middle of this. It's getting tighter. I think heading into earnings, I think we're going to see something where it stays in between 7 and 8 kind of, and then we'll test probably about $8 before earnings. And then I think we'll get another solid earnings, and I think we're going to retest the previous high here. And if we go back to the weekly, basically this just has never closed above since February of 2022. On the weekly, it's tested it a bunch, even went above it, but still closed back down, tested it there. I think we're going to see something like this play out after this next earnings. And my prediction is SoFi will be back above $10. It will be a double-digit stock in the summer I should just say in the summer of 2024. Obviously, it hinges a lot on the earnings in May, but I think we'll still see growth there, and I think the numbers will continue to be profitable. So I'm very bullish on SoFi, especially in the $7 range. I think is a great opportunity if you're not in to get in now. And I think the chart is telling us that it's basing out here, and it's going to eventually move up, hopefully on the backs of a strong earnings. That's kind of the play I'm looking at. I've been buying some continuously. I'm now over 200 shares, and I've even bought some in my Roth IRA, and I actually bought $10 calls for January 2025. So I got a lot of time on those, which I like, because SoFi, as you know and can see, tends to move up and down very violently. So I just wanted to give myself time, as I do see it being a $10 stock at some point in 2024, and I think it's going to be this summer. So with all that being said, bullish on SoFi. Jump on the train. Let's see where we go. I think we're heading back to double digits here soon. So With all that being said, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you at the next one.